Welcome back. This is Oscar. Algorand is absolutely dominating the news right now. Oh wow, I'm extremely excited for this. Why am I? Probably you ask. Well, yesterday, if you watched my video here on the channel, talked about why Algorand. I explained Algorand. I went over the team. I went over the utility. I went over different things, and we are here telling you that oftentimes we fail selecting cryptocurrencies. We're late. We don't see them. They're hiding from us. But now I got it, everyone. I'm super happy, and I'm here in this video to go over some Algorand news, to go over what's happening, to answer your questions, to go over to your concerns, and to really enjoy cryptocurrencies as a whole, because these are the times when we relax, enjoy, and say, we bought before this exploded. And you know how happy I feel because I was able to share this with you not only yesterday but days before I was mentioning Algorand. And if you just subscribed to the channel in a few days ago, welcome aboard. Let me welcome you. This is live. Typically don't do it at this time, but I think it's a special live because, well, we just see the price of Algorand rise in the last 2 days. Algorand has 100% increase, not 100x, but a 100% increase. What you're seeing right now is the 1 week, but 1 week the price was at $1 or so, and in 2 days, as you're seeing right now on the screen, the price was at about $1, everyone, September 7, and in less than 3 days, the price completely skyrocketed, and it is amazing. So welcome aboard. We'll talk about Algorand today, because it is one of those cryptocurrencies that I really like enjoying, checking out all. And I have some important info when it comes to the price prediction and analysis. I believe it's important for us to understand that no matter what cryptocurrency we're talking about, all cryptocurrencies follow the same pattern of just going all the way to the moon and then coming back. But also the question here is, why is Algorand blowing up and exploding? I mean, I do have an answer for that too. So welcome aboard. How you doing, guys? Marty, Sexy Anime. How you doing, Jesus? Welcome aboard. So let me go ahead and take a look at this, everyone. Here's the price for Algorand. Here's the RSI, the MACD, and just by looking at this, I'm coming price coming from Kraken, 242. Everyone, wow. Honestly, very impressed. Look at the volume, the RSI. Things look overbought as normal. That's what it is. We go, guys, here to the internet and we take a look at this, and typical holding time almost 50 days, everyone. That's nice. Circulating supply of 5.2, popularity of 13. So right now people are getting into this. Absolutely. Algorand is exploding. It's really good to see. We do 1 year, guys, 482% up. Hey Spell, welcome aboard, buddy. So really it is good to see. And when you go to CoinMarketCap, look at this, everyone. 13th place. That means that Algorand just dominated because it was on the place 21 yesterday. You understand that? So, wow. That is amazing. Guys, that is amazing. Weird that Algo is blowing up. I believe whales are pumping it hard. Will correct by Saturday. Might drop 30%. Your thoughts? Well, that is exactly what I wanted to share with you guys. It is great that we have Algorand rising all the way to the moon, 2.43. Yes. That's what we want to see. Look at the market cap, 12 billion, everyone. It was less than 10 billion yesterday. Now it's 12 billion. My Lord. We're almost at the top 10. Oh boy, I'm super excited. I already have 2,000 coins on this. I was late on Solana. I was late on Cardano. Cardano is making me money too. Ethereum is making me money too. I know Dogecoin already. Some people are very happy for that. But look at Algorand. Boys and girls, we're super excited. It is what we wanted to see. Wow, just pretty cool. Is it too late to buy Algo? RAM. I'll let the charts talk for themselves, right? I do know that Algo has still room to grow. Why is that? Well, Algo initial price was 3.5 when they started it on the cryptocurrency blockchain here, when they joined Coinbase and so. But I see it by the end of the year way above $3 based on the current pace we are going in right now. One of the things that happened today, if you go to the Twitter right now of Algorand, the world's first open source permissionless peer proof of stake blockchain protocol design, they have this 1 hour ago. The V2 is now live on Algorand mainnet. The new release consists of full integration of the official Algorand mobile wallet. So I know that if you stake your Algorands in their mobile wallet, you get way more than 4% that a Coinbase gives you. So you gotta be mindful of that, right? I know, and I want to do that, but just right after I get more positions on Coinbase. I will really want to move that to the unique Algorand wallet. Absolutely. I was going to share in the same spike ACA showed. And that's what I'm going to cover right now. This is it. Just take a look at this, guys. So we get to the main point of this live. You are seeing right now here on the on trading view what a beautiful spike we have, but don't miss this. ADA, we saw the same pattern with ADA, with Ethereum back in the days, right? And even Solana too. I'm gonna add Solana here too for you. What I'm saying is that we are gonna expect a retracement very soon after this, because there has to be a sell-off too. So that tells me, of course, that Algorand is a beautiful project that it must be in my portfolio. I got it early. That is great. But right now, as more people come in, they're going to start FOMO, or fear of missing out. But later on, we're going to start seeing the sell-off and it's going to come back. That is the idea. We see on Solana too. Look at Solana exploding too as well. That is a good one. I think we also have to understand that these are projects that were due for a bull run too. They were due for a correction upwards, and we want to see that. Solana, Ethereum, ADA, and Algorand, some of the greatest cryptocurrencies and blockchains that we have right now. One of the things that you have to understand, and it's unique to all these cryptocurrencies that I'm showing you right now, is that they're all blockchains. So they're all going to be in its own unique blockchain. So none of them, you can find them. Of course, Ethereum owns it, but Etherscan, you go to Etherscan, you won't find Algorand, you won't find ADA, and you won't find Solana, because they're all in their own unique blockchain, right? So having a blockchain does make a different statement if you go to CoinMarketCap. That's something I've learned too. Having a blockchain really represents that when people understand the power and the value propositions you bring, you will be in the top 20 very easily. Hey, Ram, thank you so very much for the support. I appreciate you doing your videos. I've learned a lot from you. Thank you, Ram. I appreciate it. Thank you, buddy. Here's the main nugget for this live, guys. Not planning to be here for a long time. Just wanted to stop by and say hi to you guys. Appreciate it for the support. Here's what I wanted to tell you. I've waited for a long time to be in this position where I said, wow, I bought before this rise. So let me just show you right now, which is, it still blows my mind. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, reset. If I go to my portfolio home, $10,000, guys. What in the world is that? My Coinbase portfolio has less money than my Gemini portfolio. But the reason why my Coinbase portfolio is up is because my Gemini portfolio has more AMP token, and AMP token is trading sideways for the longest time. So it's really not making me money right now. But I have Ethereum, so it still is coming up a little bit more. When AMP token finally decides to jump in, my Gemini portfolio will continue blowing up as I want to, right? When it comes to AMP token, we love it. It's there for the future, and we want to stake it right now with Lighting too. But you have to understand that AMP token is not the only one that it's a great project. If you could tell, I mean, if you could tell, I love really what Cardano, Algorand, and Ethereum are doing. And as I mentioned in my previous video, I carefully, as you know me, guys, I carefully select what I'm gonna be buying. And when I met Algorand back in July or June, I was like, I have to be involved in this project. I just have to, right? So that is what the main idea is. It's already 10,000. I cannot believe it. If I click on all, you can take a look at this. I started with like $0, guys, in April, and now it's 10,000. And of course, I've been buying stuff. I've been, dollar cost averaging, but it tells you guys, it's just one more example that you can do this, that is totally possible. Buy when it's red, buy when nobody wants to buy. That's when you're gonna make the most money. With Algorand, guys, look at all this time. Look at all this time where Algorand was less than $2, $1, zero, or even less than $1 even. So that is my opportunity to dollar cost average for a while, because when it actually comes out and blows up, everybody of course wants to buy it. But guess what? At this point and at this price, it will come back down. The question will be when. That will be the beautiful question, guys. Algorand blowing up right now, it is not a surprise to me. It was something that was going to happen. Same with Ethereum, same with I'm token. You have to understand that Algorand, guys, has 10 billion circulating supply. What does that mean? Well, it means that it will be easier for it to just take a look at the next level of price. If Cardano has 45 billion total supply and already is it already passed $3, being a blockchain proof of stake, and with an upcoming update, Alonso, then Algorand, as it's always doing good stuff, it was just a matter of time. And comparing the two of these total supplies, what I can tell you is the price of Algorand right now won't be that price long. I'm bullish on Algorand, and I think that we're gonna be seeing easily passing the 2.58 right now of Cardano. It should be around, I would say, by the end of the year, somewhere about $3 to $4 consolidated price. By looking at how, I mean, the sad story of this, everyone, is that now everybody's gonna know about Algorand. Your time of buying Algorand cheap was here. I don't think it's gonna come back later than like less than $1. So I don't think that's gonna be possible anymore. If we see another sell-off and even at a winter bear market, then yes, why not? But at the current rate we have right now, oh boy, it will be a little bit difficult. It will be a little bit difficult. What coins do you have? Well, I have Ethereum, Algorand, Cardano, I'm token, and Bitcoin, a little bit of Bitcoin. Solana is a different case, right? I mean, Solana, I really wanted to have it, but right now I'm not gonna even touch it unless it's super overbought right now, just here right now. So I'm still gonna wait on it. If I was to buy Algorand, I will wait for maybe $2 for it to come back down. That's what I'm waiting to start new positions. That's why, remember this Monday, everyone. Remember this Monday. This Monday, what day was this Monday? It was September 6th. Guys, September 6th was right about here when Algorand was $1.13. $1.13, guys. So that was the time to really get your positions at a cheap price, guys. And that's what I did with Algorand and ADA. And I told you, we had the live. Polygon. Let's take a look at Matic too, because Matic is another beauty. And as most of you know, because I posted on the community page, Shiba Inu is now on Coinbase Pro, and later on will be on Coinbase. So I don't own any Shiba Inu, and I'm okay not having any Shiba Inu. That's fine. I don't want to deal with that right now. But that will be, I believe, a quick, nice flip for those who are trying to make money, right? I mean, I'm not saying because the utility of the no. I think Shiba Inu is just matter of like YOLO play, and if you make money, great. If you lose money, great too. That will be my thoughts on Shiba Inu. Absolutely. Algo, the new Solana changed my mind. Well, they all have unique propositions, right? And to really explain each of them, it will take some time, because of course it's more technical heavy, and still, I mean, it's not easy to understand. This is Matic right now. Matic is not at a bad place to buy. So this is, I think, a very good example. Thank you for that one who mentioned Matic. Look at Matic RSI right now and momentum. It's right in the middle of the RSI, right in the middle. So that is a good idea for if you want to start a position in Matic. Remember, this is non-financial advice for entertainment purposes only. If you wanted to start a position here on Matic, boom, That's good, because take a look at Solana. Do you see that? See the MACD? Take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has a nice position too. So the idea, it's so easy. Cryptocurrencies are so easy. I'm not a girl. The cryptocurrencies are so easy, right? You see them, how you want to continue grinding and making money with crypto. Just buy cryptocurrencies when you see the RSI below the middle band of 50 or touching the lower band. But not only just buy whichever, buy the ones that you really think you have conviction on, that you did your research, and that's going to guarantee you profits. And that happened with Solana. Look at it. On July the 20th, it was right here touching the lower band. So people bought Solana at around $21. Can you believe that? $21. That's insane. So now it came back up, and now it's unstoppable. Solana 88.2 at $1. That was the cheapest price, less than $1. And then, of course, Algorand right now rising to the skies. So you selling your algo and or holding? That is a great question. My position right now is holding my algo. I'm not selling for profits. Not really. I'm not into that right now. I'm holding this beauty and just dollar cost averaging. That's what it is. I know. I mean, I know algo will eventually drop, but I'm not really concerned on going back to less than 10,000 on my Coinbase portfolio. That's fine. Ideally, I mean, you want to, of course, take profits, but we're still, I'm still okay with it. That's my perspective. That's the way I play it, and it's been working so far for me. Alrighty. Holding, I mean, and yeah, when it comes to I'm talking, of course, we want to hold it. I mean, it's just a beauty. That's what we have to do. So far, everyone, Algorand doing amazing with 13 place here on CoinMarketCap. If you compare Algorand to if Algorand had Cardano's market cap of $82.9 billion, one Algorand will be worth $15.80. So what I'm saying, everyone, is if Algorand is a proof of stake, if Algorand is a cryptocurrency and it has such a tremendous, team behind it, I'm willing to bet on it and wait till it's above $10 to $15. That will, of course, demand more than 80 billion market cap. Remember that cryptocurrencies are barely starting. What happened earlier today? Ukraine already accepted Bitcoin as legal tender, right? Then El Salvador was 2 days ago, yesterday. So it seems that these countries are embracing the new technologies. Coinbase was called by the federal government, right? Or there's something going on with Coinbase. Why? Because the government is finally already trying to catch up with everything that's happening with crypto, and they're going to start with the first cryptocurrency body that they see, and that's Coinbase. There will be maybe Gemini, Binance, and you name it. So I'm not scared. I'm not afraid. It is what it is. But to me, holding these beauties will make it totally worth it. Why are you holding? Because that's the way I do it. Plus, I get free rewards when you stake on Coinbase. That's why I do it. Alrighty, everyone, that's what I wanted to tell you. So far, so good. Just a quick live, so an update for every one of you. There's a lot of work to do, and I do expect Algorand, if it continues the bull ride, will be passing Cardano. Could be passing Cardano later today. That's how bullish it does look like. But as always, expect retracements, expect dips. Don't get too greedy. Don't fear uncertainty and doubt. I mean, it always happens, right? When you buy at the top and then everything starts falling down. So don't worry. My background is AM token. I can totally say that because I'm an AM token investor, and I've been buying AM token for the longest time, and AM token really hasn't given me too much gains. And I'm okay with it because the project, everything when it comes to AM token and Flex Network seems so exciting. Adding Lightning Network in El Salvador and allowing more people to purchase through the apps they offer. That is what I'm here for. So I understand AM token will take some time, but slowly but surely, guys, slowly but surely, if AM token goes to 10 cents, I don't think when AM token goes to 3 cents, 10 cents, and more That will be my gains, and I'll just hold it, and it's gonna be beautiful. So yesterday, someone told me that the next is 1 inch. Haven't heard of 1 inch. There's so many I haven't heard, or well, I've seen them on CoinMarket or Coinbase, but you know, guys, that I like to stay on my lane and first build my foundations, and then of course go out. I'm aware of some of them, of the ones that people are talking about a lot, but I just like to build positions around mine and share with you the good news and the bad news even, because that's what we're here for. All my information for social media and the link number 9 in the description down below. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. I appreciate you for watching, and more information. If Algorand, of course, keeps rising to the moon, well, we know, because right now it was due time for Algorand. The updates that are happening, of course, on Twitter, that really says it's now on Algorand Desk IOV 2.0, now live on Algorand mainnet. So really good news for Algorand. It's moving forward, more updates. I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here in the chat so you guys have something to chew on. It's pretty cool. Mobile wallet integrated. That is exactly what we want to see. Thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you later. More information coming up. But Algorand seems delicious, and this is exactly when you want to buy it. Right before it explodes. Right before it explodes. And if you go back to my lives, if you go back to my videos, I mentioned many times, check Algorand, check Algorand, check Algorand. But sadly, as human nature, we tend to follow the ones that are exploding. People are buying Solana. People were buying Cardano about a week and a half ago. Why? Because it was exploding. What was I doing? You might ask. I was buying them token. I was buying Algorand. I was buying Ethereum. Because once they're down, that's when you buy them. No, once they're exploding, right? So it's just basic stuff that you have to learn, and not just go for what's sugar. Alrighty, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please drop a like if you like this content really quick. Just giving you some updates and my opinions on what's happening in the market. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Take it easy, everyone. I'll catch you later.